So here it is, the first thing I've printed with my XYZ printing 3D printer. It is a M18 Milwaukee click slide. Could be used as a battery cover, but its main use is to be screwed in a toolbox or whatever. As you can see, it holds 9 amp battery, fits beautiful and snug. Credit to the original creator on Thingiverse. The print quality is pretty good, it's ABS. A few small distortions in the print, but overall it's pretty awesome. Yeah, this is just a red ABS. Took a bit over an hour to do. That's the result. So there'll be a lot more videos of us printing things with this beast. If you have any requests or questions about it that you'd like me to answer, just sing out and let me know. As for that, I'm going to make some more of them for my toolbox in my ute. I can click the batteries on so they're somewhere safe and they're not rolling around anywhere. Good thing. Thanks for watching. There's going to be a bunch more videos with the 3D printer coming. Going to build ourselves some cool 18650 stuff. Thanks for watching, guys.